Welcome back, guys. So in this video we'll be talking about an error which you will see when you install the PostgreSQL on new cluster on the same database, and you get this error: file role PostgreSQL Postgres does not exist. This will be shown when you use the initdb command, or you do not have the Postgres user on that server. But usually you will have it when you install a new cluster, new database instance on your same cluster, and you do not use that command. Let me show you in the lab how you see this error. Okay, so this is our previous database cluster in program files Postgres. This is our previous database cluster. Let's see pgctl. Okay, this is running. Okay, you see we have role, we have database here, and we also have, see, the Postgres user here, which is the super user, and super user for Postgres database. This is the this is you can have this when you install the database on your system, on your server. So when you install the second, when you try to install the second database cluster using on the same cluster, when you install the second database cluster, you will see this. Let me show you how you see it, how you have it. So if you use this command initdb to install the cluster, install the second database instance. Okay, so let me initiate that. Okay, so that is initiated. Let's see, I have mentioned the new location. C, new cluster, data. Let's see, new cluster and data. You see, this is the location of data directory. We have initiated it. Okay, so let's see if we are able to use it. This is the second. Okay, so let's see. The server location, location of our new clusters data directory. Not this one right now. This is how you start your second cluster. But first you need to update the configuration file for the port. Let's see, let's update this port. So on second cluster we are using 5433. Okay, close it. If you mention -p for 5433 port. Okay, so let's see if we can start this. Just giving error, give me a moment. Oh, we have used initdb, and then oh, we need to mention this log file. Okay, this is the command to use it. We need to use log file. Okay, so the server is started. Let's check the status. Server is started with this new port. Let's try to connect to this new server. Okay, let's see. Here we are mentioning the port 5433. This is for database. Okay, so for like one you have user is Postgres. You see, you are seeing this error. Fertile role Postgres does not exist. You will see this error because Postgres we have used this command for initializing our new cluster. initdb where it is. Okay, here we have used this one, initdb, and the location of this. So in this case you will see this error, fertile role Postgres does not exist all the time because you have not created that Postgres role. To create that Postgres role with the initdb command, you need to use this. You need to mention the username. You can use any name, Postgres as well. So, but I'm using another name. You can use any name, but you need to mention one username for it. I have showed you already how we create the second instance of Postgres on the same cluster, but here I'm just showing you how we get this error, why we are getting this error. So if you do not use this hyphen hyphen username or the username you are mentioning, you will be seeing this error, fatal error, all the time. So let's destroy our newly created data directory and try to create. Oh, just let me stop this server first, else I will be getting this error. Stop. Okay. Oh, that's already stopped, I guess. We have removed it. Okay. So we have removed. We have, so there will be no signs of our newly created cluster. So let's use this now and initiate the cluster. Okay, so the password will be, okay, let's see. Okay, we have the data directory is initiated. First thing we need to do here, it is started. Success, the database is running. Let's first edit the configuration file, postgresql.conf. This is your configuration file, and let's change the port to some other one because our first instance of Postgres is running with 5432 port, which is the default one. So we need to use another ports for the or second instance. So we have changed the instance. Now let's see if our server is running right now or not. Here. So let's start the server. Server is started. Let's check the status. Server is running on with this data directory. We have mentioned hyphen hyphen username already. this time. So let's see if we are able to connect it to it. pgctl hyphen capital D, this is for the data directory, small p hyphen small p, that is for port. Start. Let's see if we are able to connect to it now. Oh, we have already started it. Let me what have you used? I've used start, not the start. I want to connect to it with this. For connecting, you can use this psql hyphen u g, the username which you are connecting to. As we have mentioned, the superuser for this is, then hyphen d small d is for the database. And yes, we are connected. So let's see. Yes, and we are able to, you see, this is the user we have created with this. If you do not use this, you will be seeing the error. So you need to mention hyphen hyphen username and then the username. Okay, so that will be all for this. You if you use this initdb utility and you do not mention this, you'll be getting that error all the time. So you must use the username. Okay, so thank you, and I'll be talking to you in our next video. Thanks.